These trucks are absolutely awesome. Don't believe us? Get ready to see them in action. The 120T Omar's recovery truck redefines the concept of a recovery truck with an impressive combination of power and technology. Featuring an 8x8 configuration, this recovery truck is powered by a robust 480 horsepower engine, allowing it to tow loads of up to 50 tons with ease. The true marvel of this vehicle is its built-in crane, capable of lifting up to 15 tons, making it an indispensable tool for rescue and recovery operations. Equipped with 7 hydraulic winches, the 120T Omar's recovery truck has a total tractive force of 210 tons, enabling it to overcome any obstacle and recover vehicles stuck in the most adverse conditions. But that's just the beginning, because we haven't told you the best part yet. Not only is this truck an exceptional recovery tool, but its design and functionality make it an impressive attraction to any auto show. With its blend of strength, versatility, and advanced technology, the 120T Omar's recovery truck is the undisputed leader in vehicle recovery. The Rosenbauer E5000 fire escape staircase is at the forefront of rescue technology at German airports. At Hanover Airport, the E5000 model stands out with its 5.5-meter high ladder, driven by a powerful 341 horsepower engine. This ladder can reach speeds of up to 105 kilometers per hour and allows one person to control all functions, greatly facilitating emergency operations. With a spacious design that can accommodate 2 people and a stretcher, the Rosenbauer E5000 is ideal for critical situations. And if that seems impressive, you haven't seen anything, because Munich Airport is using a more advanced version from the same company that can extend up to 8.5 meters. This rescue ladder is designed to reach sufficient heights to perform rescue operations on large aircraft, such as the Airbus A380, one of the largest aircraft in the world. With its impressive capacity and cutting-edge technology, the Rosenbauer E5000 staircase is an essential tool for safety and efficiency in airport rescue operations. Of all the off-road vehicles, this is the ultimate for those who want to conquer any challenge in extreme conditions. This innovative vehicle is the world's first model designed specifically for snow and swamps, with a payload capacity of up to 4 tons. With the addition of a trailer, its payload capacity can be increased by an additional 1.5 tons. Equipped with 4-wheel drive and a ground clearance of 53 centimeters, the Tricol Arctica ensures a safe and reliable driving experience even in the most inhospitable Arctic environments. But do you want to hear something breathtaking? The 1.6-meter diameter provides exceptional stability and maneuverability. In fact, the wheel height is only 10 centimeters higher than that of an average person, emphasizing its robust and functional design. With a 170 horsepower diesel engine and a capacity of up to 21 passengers, the Tricol Arctica is not only an engineering marvel for extreme conditions, but also a versatile and powerful vehicle for any adventure in challenging terrain. In partnership with DH Technologies, we have launched a revolutionary fully autonomous electric wheel loader that is changing the world of heavy equipment. This innovative loader, designed to operate continuously throughout the day, has demonstrated a significant increase in productivity compared to traditional models. One of the outstanding features of the robo-autonomous solution is its ability to run on natural gas, which not only contributes to greater energy efficiency, but also allows for additional savings. Yes, savings, but how much exactly? On average, this loader can reduce costs by up to $6,450 per year, providing an economical alternative to traditional forklifts with human operators. This technological advancement is particularly relevant in today's environment, as the UK media company has reported that approximately 80% of contractors are facing a shortage of skilled labor. A significant advancement in hay packing technology, the Circle C equipment bale stacker meets the needs of most demanding farmers. This innovative piece of equipment not only automatically picks up and stacks hay bales, but also organizes them into neatly arranged stacks that adapt to changing bale shapes. With a capacity of up to 18 90 by 90 centimeter bales, the Circle C equipment bale stacker offers an efficient and flexible solution for hay handling. Not bad, right? Well, this will change everything. Its design allows one person to control all functions of the equipment, eliminating the need for any additional operator and optimizing labor resources. In addition, the bale stacker features the ability to precisely unload bales, allowing them to be stacked in multi-story towers. This not only facilitates organization, but also maximizes storage space. With these advanced features, the Circle C equipment bale stacker is an essential tool for improving efficiency in hay handling and storage. The Faymanville Highway Max trailer is a true heavy haul workhorse that exceeds expectations with its impressive capabilities. This 9-axle behemoth extends up to 27 meters and can support nearly 113 tons, which is almost twice the weight of an M1 Abrams tank, which weighs approximately 57 tons. Designed to meet the most demanding challenges, the Highway Max allows all wheels to steer up to 60 degrees, providing exceptional maneuverability even with heavy loads. And as hard as it is to believe, check it out, because testing of its suspension, chassis, and other components has shown that the trailer is built to withstand extreme conditions, almost as if it were being sent to Mars. But while the Red Planet remains a distant memory, the Faymanville Highway Max is ready to haul huge wind turbines, vintage locomotives, and other heavy loads right here on Earth. This trailer not only redefines the standard for heavy hauling, but also ensures efficiency and robustness in every application. In a cotton market expected to reach $43,961,187, which is more than the combined GDP of Nicaragua and North Korea, transporting this valuable resource becomes a critical task. Every detail in the handling of cotton is crucial, especially considering that it often travels thousands of miles from where it is grown. To meet this challenge, C&M's engineers developed the Moon Buggy Monster 2, a vehicle with an unmatched ability to transport up to 10 bales of cotton, more than any other vehicle of its kind. It's absolutely stunning, but it's not the most magnificent and intriguing feature. Equipped with a rotating and elevating cab, the Moon Buggy Monster 2 gives the operator excellent visibility, allowing for quick and careful handling of cotton bales. This advanced design ensures that cotton is transported efficiently and safely, protecting the integrity of the product from the start of its journey. In the ongoing quest for technological innovation in the global logistics industry, the Einride Scale project stands out as a significant advancement. Developed by the experts at Toyota and the University of Gothenburg, the Scale project aims to automate and improve the efficiency of goods handling. In the Scale project, Toyota's automated forklifts are used in warehouses to optimize the loading and unloading processes. In addition, instead of using conventional trucks, the project uses Einride's electric vehicles, which are approved for use on U.S. roads. These electric vehicles have an impressive range of up to 300 kilometers on a single charge. And I know it's hard to believe, but the Einride Scale project not only promises to revolutionize the efficiency of goods handling, but also marks an important step in the integration of intelligent systems into logistics, where robots are playing an increasingly important role. With growing concern over the increase in municipal solid waste, which the World Bank estimates will reach 2 billion tons annually by 2050, advanced recycling technologies are critical to addressing this global challenge. In response, engineers around the world are developing innovative solutions to efficiently manage the growing volume of waste. A prominent example in this area is the Lefort self-propelled system. These matches are designed to cut and shred scrap with exceptional efficiency. But that's not all. Depending on the model, the Lefort press can exert an impressive force of up to 180 tons, while the shear can handle up to 1,250 tons. These features allow for more efficient handling of large amounts of recyclable material. In addition, the radio control of Lefort systems makes them easier to operate, allowing operators to manage the equipment with greater precision and comfort. With these innovations, Lefort offers an advanced and effective solution to improve recycling efficiency in a world facing a constant increase in waste generation. If someone asked you if you'd like to live in a trailer, you might hesitate. But expandable trailer technology is here to change that perception. These innovative trailers are designed to provide a living experience so comfortable and luxurious that you'll forget you're in a trailer. One of the standout versions measures 13.6 meters long and offers 62 square meters of living space. But the best part is that setting up this trailer for luxury living is surprisingly easy, as one person can have it ready in just 15 minutes once on site. The trailers are built with modular components, allowing for production in just a few months. They also offer a variety of design options, from a sleek office apartment to a fully functional hospital. To explore all the possibilities, Expandable Trailers offer a 3D configurator on its website, making it easy to plan and customize the space to meet individual needs. With these features, Expandable Trailers offer a versatile and high-quality solution for a wide range of applications.